I don't know if it happens to you, but sometimes I get comfy with the things I know how to do and I don't learn new stuff and I want them to change, and I want to learn how to do some mitered corners because I think they are really nice, and some little tablecloths, some placemats are perfect for that. The wrong side can be left like that, but I'm going to add some lining doing the same method in this blue. Both fabrics were from IKEA ages ago. I can't really tell you how much they were. It was when I started sewing, I got them on offer and I just haven't used them that much. I think with this method of folding the corner is going to lose like 5 centimeters all around. So I'm going to cut my pieces 50 by 40 centimeters and the blue ones 5 centimeters smaller in 45 by 35 centimeters. So that way they are all easy and they look really nice on the inside because you can see the corner but everything is hemmed. To make these corners, I'm going to fold them twice on the right side, cut the excess and then sew the lining, which I have done the same too. Apparently you can do this by different methods, by folding, tracing lines and all this. But there's one really easy one I've been seeing lately, and it is just folding twice your corner. Folding once to make this triangle and then again. Of course you can make these different sizes depending on what you want to make your miter like, but this is what you're going to sew and it'll look amazing. So I'm going to do it like 2 centimeters. I think 2 centimeters is ideal because it's going to look really cute. So I have to do that in all of this and the blue ones as well. I have my machine threaded in brown polyester because the fabric has some brown. So let's start making corners. Now let's cut all these corners. Now I'm going to cut all these little corners so I can put them right sides out and iron press on top of the seams so I can create this edge and it's easier to sew. And now I'm simply going to place them wrong sides together so the corners are aligned and I can sew on top, and it's going to look really cute with the two different colors. And of course, the best thing you can do is to finish with a bit of iron, so the edges are quite nice and neat, and the seams settle nicely as well. So here they are. I think they look quite fun with the crabs. And of course you can make them in any material. I chose this canvas because I like the pattern and I want to use it. But you can do it in any material you like. And I loved doing the mitered corners, trying something new, because we always end up doing the same. So that was nice. And so let me know in the comments if you like this method of doing it, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content, because I upload twice a week and that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you here a link to other projects you can use scraps with, and you can do for give as gifts or even for sale. See you around.